Hi, this is Native Robin, and I'm camping out on June 30th, the day before the 4th of July weekend break. And there's not a lot of people here, which is nice where I'm at, because it's a little more rugged. This is my first time out in my new tent and all my stuff, so I think I'll give you a tour of my campsite. This is my sleeping bag. I got a Coleman twin air mattress, Coleman blanket. Just room up here. This is a 9x7 tent, so I got all my stuff thrown in. I brought some water in my own cooler. It's just an overnight. And this tent didn't come with a footprint, so I bought some 4 mil plastic. Of course, I always have an American flag out. I drug a picnic table over. And there's my cook stove. I didn't know the fire ring was bolted to the ground, so we'll be having our fire over here tonight. So that's the setup. I'll show you some things as we go along. Using the magnesium strips that you find at every camp store. It's super simple. I'll show you. Okay, so first thing I did was I shaved a bunch of my wood down, because in a state park you can't collect off the ground. And then we throw a bunch of this in here, magnesium. Use the teeth edge of the blade. Okay, now I've got a bunch of other bigger kindling ready. Now pull the flint away, don't strike the flint. Here we go. Just keep piling on kind of loose, and then give it some oxygen. Having that newspaper to catch those magnesium strips kind of helps. You could use some dried leaves or bark for that too. You just don't want to get in trouble for burning things in the state park. Keep giving it oxygen. There we go. Now I just chop up some bigger wood and throw it on there. And there we go. Nice little fire. Okay, so once you get your fire going, just kind of crisscross your wood loosely. Crisscross your wood loosely like that. There you go. The other thing you might want to have is a really thoughtful boyfriend who packed me one beer. That's okay. After starting that fire, it takes a lot of work. But the one thing you can do if you're a cheater, pumpkin eater, car camper like me, rather than blowing on the fire with your mouth or fanning it, use the air inflator mattress blower electric thingy. I put that down there and it was like a blow furnace. It was up in no time. So just remember, if you're car camping, don't forget about those little extra cheaters that you brought along. You can use them for more than one mattress. Okay, well, we're in the tent. It's getting late, and I thought I would show you my entertainment for the evening. A little setup here. I have a cooler with beer, a laptop, playing my favorite movie, 2012. I have my bed, and I'm looking to relax, drink some beer, and watch TV. This is what camping's all about.